stance or middle level posture, that means I'm set up to do ski. In one motion, I can do ski. So anyone that's trained in swordsmanship, if I'm in shoot-on, they know that I can defend really well, I can block, and I can do ski. But if I'm in this particular posture like this, which is called Hasso no Kamae, this particular posture here in one motion is Keisagiri. So swordsmen, they'll look at each other, and that's why you see in the swords movies and all that kind of stuff, samurai movies, you'll see them, they keep changing their Kamae. You know, they keep getting in different postures because they're trying to figure out what position gives me the best strike. So you really need to learn the Kamae so that you can put it the strike with the Kamae. Does that make sense? Right. So like when you guys were doing the Hoppo Gitari, you guys were saying, okay, well, I'm going to go from this cut to this cut, and I'm going to cut this direction and come through. Well, if I'm in this position, for me to cut laterally, I got to get to this Kamae, which is, you know, Yushiro Kamae, and then cut in with this particular cut. Do you see what I mean?
Right.
Okay. So the Kamae set that we're going to do, and I'm going to do it once, and then I'm going to have, you guys are going to, the person that's with you probably already knows it, and they're going to help you out, and we'll run through it, okay? So draw your bokken or sword, whatever you're using, and then you would say, Chudan no Kamae, Geidan no Kamae, Waki no Kamae, Ushiro no Kamae, Hasso no Kamae, Inyo no Kamae, Jodan no Kamae, Shudan no Kamae, Geidan no Kamae, Waki no Kamae, Ushiro no Kamae, Hasso no Kamae, Inyo no Kamae, Jodan no Kamae, Kiriroshi, Kochiburi, Noto. So those are your basic Kamaes that you have to learn. Each of those Kamaes is a position, and each of those Kamaes have a specific cut that goes along with it. So we're going to work on those particular Kamae, okay?